My name is Robert Sadler. I work for Rowmec in PRINOTH Texas, and we are a PRINOTH dealer. And we were one of the original PRINOTH dealers for the states. We carry all the vegetation management side of things, from the RAPTORs to skid steer mulchers to the track hoe mulchers and all. The majority of our customer base is going to be in the right-of-way maintenance part of things, to land clearing. A lot of our customers are independent contractors, along with utility maintenance that are looking to clean up, clear land, and put gas pipelines, stuff like that in the ground. We carry the RAPTOR series mulching equipment. One of the biggest benefits of that machine is the fuel consumption use that it has. It uses less than most of the competitors out there, and all the competitors out there, matter of fact. It is a direct drive system, which sets it apart from everybody else. It's not hydraulically driven like all the other carriers out there, and that's a huge benefit to the customer. With the excavator attachments in the mulching side of things, PRINOTH really sets itself apart because we have 2 units right now that are gear driven that don't require a K-string. That's just one more expense that you have to deal with when operating one of these. It's more of a direct plug and play, and you can switch multiple attachments faster to than the competitors out there. They're always responsive. They're very quick to take care of any issue that comes up, and they're always a friendly, fun group to hang around. We've been a team member with PRINOTH for many years now, and we really look forward to the future of what they have to come to the table with, the new product lines that they always come out with, and we're really excited in the years to come.